Hello, today we will guide you through how to customize charts in Thinkorswim. Let's get started by opening the Thinkorswim app. Once the platform loads, you'll be working in the charting workspace, where all of your price action and tools live. Click on the chart to make sure it's active, then look toward the top of the chart for the Style menu. Open Style and choose Settings. This is the command center for how your chart looks and behaves. We'll move through the key panels one by one so you can fine-tune everything with confidence. Begin with the price axis. Here you control how prices scale and display. If you use indicators with large ranges, enabling a Fit to Studies option can keep everything visible without constant rezooming. Many traders prefer logarithmic scaling for long-term views because it reflects percentage moves more evenly, while a standard scale is often better for intraday detail. You can also tidy up labels, adjust margins, and make the price ladder easier to read. Next, switch to the time axis. This governs how far back your chart looks and how new bars flow. If you follow earnings or news, adding a little expansion area to the right can create room for drawings and projections. Intraday traders may want clearer session breaks, while swing traders might focus on how much history is on screen. Dial in what helps you read trends fastest. Open favorite time frame to speed up your workflow. Set a handful of go-to intervals like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, daily, or weekly, so you can toggle through them quickly without hunting through menus. Keeping these consistent across symbols helps you compare setups at a glance. Now head to Appearance. This is where you choose candles, bars, or lines, select up and down colors, and adjust borders and wicks. Consider higher contrast if you work long hours or use multiple monitors. You can also refine grid lines, background, and volume colorization to keep the chart readable without distractions. Move into the product-specific sections to finish strong. In equities, you can show corporate actions, extended hours data, and other stock-specific visuals that add vital context. In option, tailor how option prices and related visuals appear directly on the chart, which can help when tracking volatility around expirations. In futures, choose whether to show rollover lines and how to handle continuous contracts so trends aren't broken by contract changes. In Forex, decide on bid and ask lines and session markers to match your trading hours. And in crypto, remember markets run 24/7, so choose session breaks and timeframes that keep your view clean during overnight moves. That's it. Your Thinkorswim charts are now tailored to your trading style.